In Nextbuy you can create two types of purchase request, catalog and non-catalog request. In catalog purchase request, the necessary product is selected from the list of available catalogs, whereas in non-catalog, the purchase request is specified by the user. You can create a non-catalog request in two ways. After logging into the system on a visible dashboard, click the basket icon or go to the procurement module, select the list of requests and click New Purchase Request button. Then the system will display a new purchase request form. Fill in the name, estimated value and type of purchase and click the Save button in the upper right corner. After that, an additional fields to complete will appear. Choose commodity, organizational unit and as well as indicate potential suppliers. Next, complete other fields in the form according to your template's type. This can be product tables, description fields, or attachments. Suppose that there is a product table in the request form. Remember that after adding items in the table, you must assign a commodity on each line. If costs are to be allocated for different organizational units, click the Assign button. You can create a catalog request by going to the Product Catalog module. Then find the item that is needed in the search phrase field by entering a keyword or select the catalog. After that, the list of all available products will appear. Choose the products, specify their quantity and add them to your request by clicking on the basket icon. The summary of your selected products will be visible after clicking the cart icon in the page header. To go to the purchase request form, click the View Basket button. After that, the system will display a new request form in which there will be automatically completed fields such as name, type of purchase and list of selected products from the basket. Remember that you can edit all data completed in the form. After making changes, click the Save button in the upper right corner. After that, an additional fields to complete will appear. Choose commodity, organizational unit and as well as indicate potential suppliers. Next, complete other fields in the form according to your template's type. This can be product tables, description fields or attachments. If costs are to be allocated for different organizational units, click the Assign button. Both in catalog as well as non-catalog purchase request, you have to keep the request state after completing all necessary fields in the form by clicking the Save button. When you want to send your request for acceptance, click the Send button. After that, it will be impossible to edit it and both Save and Send buttons will be inactive. You can check the acceptance level by clicking on the acceptance bookmark. Then you will see who, when and on which acceptance level accepted or rejected your purchase request. It will be also visible in the right side panel after selecting a request on the list. After the acceptance process, your purchase request status will change to accepted or rejected. When the request is rejected, you can correct it by clicking the Correct Request button and then send it again for acceptance. Accepted request can be transformed to the next steps in the purchasing process, such as new RFX or new order. The status of your request will change depending on taken actions. Remember that you can create a copy from every request by clicking the Copy button. That will allow you to save your time when creating similar requests in the future. Thank you for your attention and we wish you successful transactions on Nextbuy platform.